Jiang City Filltech Beverage Machinery Company Limited, located in Zhangjiagang City, Jiangsu Province. Our transportation is very convenient, plans, develops, and manufactures machines and complete lines for the fields of water treatment, process, filling, and packaging technology. Its product portfolio is rounded off by information technology and factory planning. Since being founded in 2001, Filltech has become line manufacturer. It has evolved into whole project designating company who gets the whole package of a complete filling packaging design. Filltech's success is based on some few but crucial strategies, specialized knowledge of mechanical engineering, and the detailed customer service, producing best quality equipment, operating to the stringent of quality standards, and especially by the skills of its highly motivated staff. Filltech has established a complete service system for our customers, from before sale, on purchase service to after sales service. Sales from factory will provide warm and comfort welcome, together with technical machinery design depends on customers' requirement. A specialty team, combined from engineers and multi-language sales from Filltech Beverage Machinery, will ensure the successful communication with clients. Also solve problems fast and professionally when post-sale service online. Factory will send experienced debugging personnel to customers' production site, provide a systemic training session to teach the workers full knowledge of the machinery. Last but not least, Filltech will provide enough spare parts that client will need in 2 years.